Alright, this is a 2016 Ford Flex Limited. We're going to try to see if we can't fix this turn signal lever. Pretty common problem where the turn signal doesn't cancel after a left-hand turn. Start with the steering wheel at the 9 o'clock position. Take a 7mm nut driver, remove the 2 screws on the bottom side of the shroud. And carefully separate the 2 halves. And that's really all the more you need exposed. You're going to take out this screw and that screw. Next, we need to get this off. You can see a clip here and a clip here. It's a lot easier to do with a tool. Kind of rotates off towards the ground. That just pulls right off. And you should be able to take the turn signal lever, pull it straight out.